Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Sullivan County in central New York, East Central Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bushkill, or 14 miles east of Mount Pocono, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bushkill, Monticello, McCalixon, Blooming Grove, Bethel, Damascus, Callicoon, Shahala, Tustin, and Coshecton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Pike and Wayne, in Sullivan, New York. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, eastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Stoddartsville to Zionsville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Allentown, Easton, Mount Pocono, Bethlehem, Forks, Emmaus, Northampton, East Stroudsburg, Tobiana, Wilson, Helletown, Nazareth, Palmerton, Bangor, Slatington, Penn Argyll, Wind Gap, Bath, Walnutport, and Belfast. This includes the following highways: northeast extension between mile markers 46 and 56, and between mile markers 81 and 94. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 55 and 69. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 282 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton. The current time is